Romi Rami is a rummy-style card game, and the goal of the game is to score the most points. Thank you, Timberdoodle, for sending this to us. Let's take a peek inside the game, the rules, and let's hear the kids' honest review of the game.
We have two different piles here. We have this pile, which is called the contract market, and these are the number, this is the number market. So basically what we do is we flip over 6 cards, and then we flip over 4 cards here. So we have all of these cards. And basically, so what happens on a turn, the youngest person gets to start, and they get this little trophy.
What is it?
To start. Sage, that means you get that because since you're the youngest. And then everybody gets one of these little stars, and it's called a Joker token. And this is like a wild, so like if you don't have a card to make up the contract, then you can use this, and then it's only a one-time use. And then also, the other thing is we have these little kings and stuff, or the crowns, and what we do is we throw them up in the air. They have 2 sides on them, and then at the end of the game, we're gonna see who has the most of like whatever they land on, like front or back. So if they're just like, so then like these are the ones that you want to try to like get, if that makes sense. Because then you'll get this, and then you'll get like the extra points. So basically how you play is you take up to 3 cards from here. It just has to be either all the same number or all the same suit. Same number or same suit. So if I were gonna do it, I could take like these 3 cards, or I could take like these 2 or these 2. And what I want to try to do is I want to try to fill up one of these cards. So if I take all 3 of these cards here, I could fill up this one right here, but then I still need to get like the 2 of another one. These have to be consecutive numbers, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or like these ones too, so like 2, 3, 4. These ones, they have the 1s, so you have to make sure they have 1s on them. It can be any other suit, it just has to be 2 1s. And it,
do anything?
This?
No, her little king piece.
No, it's just the first player token.
So first player token, okay.
So you can choose. Okay, so then we refill after we do that. Okay, and then I can go next. And I can
be able to fill it up.
We have to be able to fill up one of those, and whoever gets to 5 of these, yeah, then you take it and then you refill. So then if I take all of these, then James, you go. And you can only have up to 10 cards in your hand at a time. Okay, so now we're gonna count up the points. So basically what we do is we look at these little kings here, and whoever has, we look at the tops here, whoever has the most 2 little things on them. So Sage has 1, 2, 3, James has none, and I have 3. So me and Sage tied, which means nobody gets the extra point. No, those are 3, so nobody gets the extra point. Here we have the 3-1, James has 2 3s, and Sage has 1, so James gets the extra 4 points. Who has the most clovers? Sage does, because Sage only has the 1, and the most diamonds, Sage does, because she also has the 1. You look at like the little top part of the card, and that tells you.
They fit together.
The Joker.
Next, what we do is we have these points. Oh, if we look at your cards, you have to see which ones match. So if you were able to play and get the extra like bonus suit, you have to count how many you had in that stack, and then that's 3 extra points.
5.
So James got 5, and now we add roll up. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7.
1.
Oh yeah, and now if you didn't use your little Joker token, then you also get another point. So
Okay. How many do you have? 7.
oh, I had 7.
Let's go.
This game, Romi Rami, was pretty fun. It was It was interesting. It seems complicated at first, but it isn't that complicated once you get the hang of it. Based off of our little playing experience, we didn't go all the way, you know, to 5 contracts where the game would end. But, yeah, it was pretty fun. I feel like it could be a good game, although it is only 4 people. So maybe if we get like another pack, you could go with like 8 people or something. That would be cool. I also really love the design packaging, like the little hearts and like the flaps and stuff. It just keeps everything together and the cards, you know, in their own spot. So that was really unique.